Hello my loves and welcome to Brienna Rose, your one-stop destination to creating a life you love and becoming your best possible self. In today's video I'm showing you my reset routine for just when I get a bit out of it, like a bit of out of whack and lose track of my goals. This morning I started my reset. I haven't done like a good proper workout for a while, so I started, because I'd been sick, so I started my morning by going to an F40, like walking to an F45 session, and starting my day with like an intense workout, it just makes me feel so much more awake and energized and like I'm actually doing something to help myself and help my body. So my first tip is just move your body, get back into a nice workout routine, and just like reset your metabolism a bit. Next, I always need to clean up my environment and make sure it's neat and tidy. So I make my bed, put everything away that needs to go away, and all that good stuff. I like to light some incense and set up my crystals just to kind of clear and energize the room, make it feel more like homey and spiritual and energized, because I'm a little woo-woo freak. I also like to open my windows, let some sunlight in, let fresh air in, because it does get a bit stuffy when your room is all boxed up all the time. And then I love to meditate. I'm listening to Abraham Hicks meditation right now. And meditating is just one of the best ways to start your day, clear your mind and get realigned with your purpose.
I know that in this really good day, that those contrasting experiences are not me being off my path, but still being on my path. I embrace the contrast that comes today, and I keep it in perspective because I understand that it's not me leaving my path. I understand it's me still on my path.
Also in line with exercising, I'm getting healthy again, because when I was sick I wasn't able to really eat anything. So I'm just trying to like get nutrients back into my body with this Edmonton green power smoothie. It is actually delicious. So I'm drinking that and my warm water. I am setting up my to-do list and organizing my priorities. If you've seen my plan and organize video, you'll see that I use Wunderlist for my daily to-do list. I love it. So next I'm just working on the things that need to get done, paying some bills, and just ticking off things on my to-do list that I've been putting off for a while. For example, I'm just doing a little bit of rebranding at the moment and just trying to get my business and brand together. And also get interrupted by my little kitty cat. Also on a reset day, I love to put a face mask on just to really deeply cleanse my skin. I use Life Basics Pure Pink Clay Mask. Yeah, my skin's been having a bit of a rough time lately, so I just wanted to like really get in there and deeply cleanse it. I'm all masked up. Clay masks I do for dry and stressed skin. It's also really good for congested skin, which is what I have. And and mine's just been showing a lot of like aging signs lately. So this is a nice way to reset. It just kind of really clears out my skin and, you know, made me feel good and tight. Yeah. So I also washed my hair this morning, so that's all nice and fresh. While I have this mask on, I'm going to be doing some journaling and planning just to help clear my mind a bit and realign with my goals and just plan out my next like week to month and get organized again, because, you know, I'd fall off the bandwagon a little bit. So it's nice to get organized and just like see, you know, write out my priorities and stuff. You can see how if you go watch my planning and organizing video, which I'll have linked down below, that is how I get organized from week to week and keep on top of everything. As I wash off my mask, I'm just going to I'm following it up with my night skincare routine. Just like a minimized version. You can't see here, but I'm like jade rolling my spray in, so it sinks into my skin a bit and also just like deeper and help my face a little bit more. And then just gonna moisturize. Yeah. So my loves, that's it for today's video. I'm done with my little reset routine. I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more from me and let me help you create the life of your dreams and start living a life you love and basically turn into your best possible self. I will see you in the next video. Bye my loves.